one doctor no come out.
Yes, people, welcome to our topic. Remember to subscribe to the channel, people. Like it, people. Share it, people. Share with your friend and people. And click the notification bell to get all the latest update when we drop a video.
She's an asthmatic child. If she should take sick, like maybe she should attend KT. And there are times, if you should check the record, she would be there not when, and I would have to go for her, take her. But I would normally take her to the kids clinic. I've been taking Jalissa to the kids clinic from she was a little girl. So once she's sick, kids clinic. Up to now, because when she did her medical for Edna Money, I did it at kids clinic. Alright, so it was night. There's no hospital nearer to me than University Hospital. If you on your way here, you realize that's the hospital there. I consider asthma, wheezing as an emergency. Right? So I left down here because she was around and she said she feel her chest tight, she can't breathe. No, the pumps are not helping. Once you reach that stage, it's not helping. You need medical assistance. She said she need to go to the doctor. No. I just stopped what I was doing. I grabbed my clothes and I leave out. When I got there, I went around to the emergency section. As soon as I opened the door, I asked, you know, you're calling out and saying she's having an attack, she's wheezing. A porter with hair, he has a chubby body, he has hair coming here, and he came with a wheelchair. I said to him, she's wheezing, she needs oxygen now. He wheeled her around to casualty, right? When he wheeled her there, he said I should go and register. I said, register, she just needs oxygen now. Give her the oxygen and then I can register. He said, register at window 4. I went to window 4 and the lady said she's not working. So I said, why him send me then come register and he knows that she's not working? He was then talking to the assessment doctor because she was sitting around a desk. I don't know what was the conversation because I could not hear them. I don't know what he said to her, but after the conversation he had with her, he wheeled Jalissa out on the corridor at casualty. While she was out there, I think it's a nurse assistant. I can't, it's because at night, but she had on a brown coat, not brown, I think it's gray coat. And she came and she put the thing on her finger. So I think that monitor the heart rate, right? And I was saying she need to go on oxygen. She cannot breathe. The nurse asked the doctor, the assessment doctor, she got up from around her desk and she went. It took her a little while for her to come back. When she came back, she stood at the door, and when she stood at the door, I know she said to the other person, the person who, oh, is her oxygen level, and she tell her. She walked away. Took her a while, she came back with a pad in her hand. It's a pad, right? And she stood there. She not go near to the child, all know. She stood at the door. What is the child's name? And I was telling her, you know, they're going to ask some little information. And is she coughing? I said, miss, if she's going to cough, she must be coughing. She going to cough now because her chest tight. She's not coughing no cold. And she, oh, I said, can she get some oxygen? She need to go on the oxygen machine. She can't go on it. She said she don't have any bed space to give her the oxygen. But I said she don't need a bed. She could stay right here and get the neb. She said it has to be done in a particular area. And she has no bed space. The same person who put the thing on the finger said to her, but we could have hooked her up out here, say, no, because there's a big oxygen tank out there. And she said, we can't hook her up out here, so. And the doctor, the assessment doctor said, no, she can't do it because the last time she did it, she got in trouble and she walked away. Yeah.
And what happened?
So, she come back again, and you know, she finishing now her little booklet. At the end, she said, I will have to, being that there's no bed space for her to get the oxygen, the neb, I would have to take her to either KPH or Chest Hospital. There's no space. But I'm saying, but she can't get it here, so the security guard was there, a big man. I don't even know his name because I'm not thinking about if you ask nobody no name, you know. My only thing is just to get her going. All she had to do was get her stabilized. So I'm there waiting to see, alright, maybe she gonna seek some little help. You know, if you put her upon some weed, one of the tank them come now. Just put it on her and stabilize her and say, Mommy, you can't go get no space, no kind of bed no day here to make her admit on the walk. She can't admit on the walk on a bed no day here. So take her to elsewhere. But just stabilize her for me. That's all, you know. And send me away now. So if you stabilize her now, and then me no want go, then that's gonna be a different story. But you not do nothing. You write the paper, you say you say you left. And the security guard there, you know, he's not able to talk because you know him depend on his job. But you know him come and him pat her back for me. And him a rub her shoulder. And you know him a talk to me. There were other persons there. Persons were there standing and said them hard. You know them are gonna mumble. Persons going to be mumbling because persons system and really need the help. Me need somebody. And how me they are ball out. Only the security guard. So while I was there waiting, you know, I kept puffing her with the like she had two with her. So I was there trying to, you know, and the security guard was there encouraging me. I pat her back. He must say, Mums, open your mouth. Make mommy and I puff. Because even one time she pushed up back her head and I said, oh, puff her some more. I said the pump not working. She need oxygen. What you going to do? Nobody no come back, nobody. One at a time they have the same jump off the picnic finger and I took it up and I try to put it on. Not even system never put it on right. The security guard was there and the security guard helped me, the security guard. Because even when Missy said the two pump them don't know, I'm call my husband to come back with more pump. And when he come now, she was there. I say, you know what? I better we take her from here, so. When the vehicle came around, he assisted my husband to put her. But that time now she so me I say, all right now, she knock out now. Same time, he might try and I help me. I say, come man, make me put her back in the vehicle. Come with help. You know, he was there helping. He went inside and he tried to pull her over. Me I tell you, it's like the man of my family because him I help my husband. While me I hold the door. Me a ball. And everybody done a casualty, same way. People they are casualty, nobody no come up, nobody. When the woman put the finger now, Mrs. Shia walk and I say, oh, take her back from the emergency room. Carry her back from the emergency room. And the security guard I said, yeah man, drive, go back around there. We drive, go back around the emergency room. The porter come out, I'm going to call, and when he come out, he said, the back up man, the back up and come in. We'll back up the vehicle and reverse in. And when we reverse in, we go back now and I say, come. The security guard there, you know, it's a female at the front. And she said, but look all the woman come here the same woman come in from when I go round. And I go, and when I go back in there, so I go out the door with them there. Even two police officers were there beside somebody and a stretcher, right? Not even them to turn them out to the others and say, oh, go help the lady, you know. Them stand up there, you know. I'm me a ball of help. Me say somebody come help me now. Who can help me? No come no man. What not do? What not do? Who is going to help me? So who the tell me what not do? What not up to? Nobody. The porter just said, oh, he went to one door and like him said something to somebody in there. And like she come out and she said, me, I can't do nothing about it. He went now to the desk now where there was I think maybe he's the head chief because he was at the desk and he said something to him and the chief, he stood up. When he stood up, I don't know what them talk. But nobody now said nothing to me. Nobody now come. My husband go and get one wheelchair again and the same big body man security I try help her out now. And it's like nobody when the person them there just to come me help her. Me say nobody no come, not even one doctor no come out. Nobody. So if it wasn't for the help of that security guard who was there trying to lift her, and me while he come back and try to lift her, my husband and try to take her out, because this time no, you know, she unconscious, you know. And let me tell you, if I went there from the beginning and she said she didn't have no oxygen there, I'd have gone somewhere else. But in the oxygen she talk about, she said she's not in a bed for put her on. For give her like oxygen. For give her the nebulizer. No, my 17-year-old just gone, so. Just gone. Where me go wrong in this? Because me want to know. I mean, know them are going to say she dead at COVID. Which damn COVID? Me say me I wait for hear them come tell me say COVID. Me I wait.
So when you found out that she had died?
So me and my husband decide now we are going to go Andrews.
But not help us.
But not help we. He says me reach at Andrews Memorial. A memorial name Andrews Hospital.
That's hospital.
Me I tell you say the amount of the porter them come with them stretcher. Them put on them gloves.
I will just say asthma.
Asthma then come.
I will just say asthma and then fell out now, and come.
But you see, look at my aunt, she dead.
Yeah, if you did,
And my aunt, she dead enough. And in my aunt, because my Havana the vehicle, I was at the back of the vehicle with her. When the doctor called me and say, oh, they here with you, I said, doctor just say, me know that. Because even when they are Andrews and them I look after her, you know, and them say, go and register. When I stood at the window, you know, I tell the lady, say, hold on, me I go look, me soon come. And I run, go around them, I draw the curtain and I see them. They were there working. They were fighting, I see. You know, if me did day here with her and she wheeze and dead down here, you can hear me get me chastise. You can hear say me sit down in yard and me neglect her. And all kind of story you would have hear. But me seek medical attention as soon as she say my chest tight. When nobody wash no more dishes, me just stop. This hurt.
More than hurt.
This is painful. I've struggled with my child. I have struggled. You think Edna Man is 2 feet cheap? What left? Guess what? She have to do something with her life. And me decide, so guess what? You're going and think about it. She's studying. I am studying. And my child is in a prep school. So you just imagine how we have to multitask to do everything for everybody to get a good education.
How has it affected the rest of the family?
So right now, my sister America, the one that claim was she more are the closest. She and her is like, yes, a genocide are her child. Oh God, she must have her phone. Dark things. She said she'll commit suicide. She said she'll commit suicide. She went to a nearby pond. And the other sister had to call the cops at the time. They didn't want that to happen. So they held that to her. And she has to stay. I don't even know where she's. I don't hear from her. Yeah, she stayed in the facility for 72 hours or 74 hours before they can release her. Because she said she'll kill herself. You know why she kill herself? Right? We are small in numbers, but it's just me and my brother there here, my husband. The others live in America. That's why she kill herself. She was with them in last year. She was with him. And when she's sick and then carry her emergency room, them look after her. She's not an American citizen, so how she can go to the emergency room and get through? And it's on a visa she have as she travel. Oh, somebody come tell me. I want somebody come tell me, you know. I want somebody. I want one of the bigger heads them to come tell me. Oh, I pick up the pieces. I mean, I don't want this happen to nobody else. Pick me. And nobody else. I wish we could have developed one champion for asthma. Something we have to do with that. I Me don't want nobody else child experience the same thing when my pitney have to go through. Me hug her up. Me squeeze her hand. Me try warm her up. Me try everything. Me wipe her nose. Me open her eye. Me open her eyelid. I look. Me turn her over. Me squeeze her belly. Me don't know what to do. Me try hold her because me normally I hug up my pitney and I kiss her. It's not because of death. It's not because I know person way upon death. It's not because of death. Me hug her, me squeeze her hand. Me check her foot bottom. Me try to see alright. Maybe she cool and she just want to go warm to come back. Me do all of that, you know. So they tell me no. What me to do? When me lie down on my bed to sleep, and me I see, and she lie up on the bed. Nah move. Not moving. Right? What me to do? Me see when me hug up my baby and say just wake up. Say, you is a wicked place. You got to about bed and oxygen. When bed and oxygen come, that's not a combination. I want a medical doctor tell me, because maybe I'm wrong, you know. Maybe I'm wrong. I say when I see them people that come for them see our body, then come and say, what am I doing here? And kiss me teeth and drop at the curtain. That shouldn't even do that. But me is so angry. What am I doing here? What am I doing here? I want to come for. That's what I asked him. We drop at the screen. We try, wake her up.